So have you seen these hailstones?
Yeah, they've got these weird little designs on them.
Weird designs.
Yeah.
That's an interesting take.
Some of them look like snowflakes.
Huh, they kind of do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wonder what she did for dinner. Let me explain to you what's happening. Do you see this, Cynthia? So we have the spiky versus you think those are snowflake looking?
It does. It looks like a snowflake or a crystal.
Okay. Well, so anyway, we got the smooth ones on the left and the spiky one on the right. So here's the story. The smooth one was today in Red Oak, so that's 1 3/4 inches. That's a big one. We had some in Mesquite that were like almost 2 inches today, and then we had the Mansfield one. You see that one yesterday? I don't know if you guys saw that on my Twitter page. That's 5.5 inches yesterday.
That'll do
I know
some
that
damage.
because what's that?
That'll do some damage.
That will do some damage, and he sent me a picture of this next to a ruler, so we can verify that it was maybe 5 3/4, but it was at least 5.5 inches. So here's the story with these. So we have the smooth ones. What happens is we have they're just water droplets that freeze around us. There's a small ice crystal, and as these hailstones are going up and down, you know, the convection, the air, the updrafts, the downdrafts, as they go up and down within the cloud, they're just gathering more moisture. So the water droplets freeze around a small ice crystal, and as the stone falls, you just have more water droplets that freeze on the outside, and it just creates this smooth shape. So, and those are pretty cool looking too. So kind of like ping pong balls. But then when we have these spiky ones, what takes place, and I think this is really interesting. What takes place is these water droplets freeze around an existing hailstone. So there's already a hailstone in place, okay? And with that hailstone in place, as the stone falls through the atmosphere, it collides with other stones. Remember, there's also the water droplets almost acting like a magnet, and those other stones just attach to the original stone, and then all of a sudden you just have this freaky looking hailstone, which is really technically made up of a whole bunch of hailstones. So I just think it's kind of interesting how hailstones form.